Okay. So to solve the non-exact differential equations, so in first method we verify that what happens. Yeah. So in previous classes, what we did that if the given equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0, and which is not exact, means that dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x, we convert this into exact by multiplying with integrating factor. In that method 1, we were discussing that if m and n are homogeneous, then integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny, mx plus ny. Okay. And second method is if given equation is in the form of y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy equal to 0, then if will be 1 by mx minus ny. Okay. So that two methods we are discussed previously. Okay. Now we go for method 3. Method 3. Okay. So to verify the exact, what we did that dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x, right? Dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. So here would like to take the difference of this both. Suppose this is not exact, and difference of this both dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, and the divide whole this with n, and divide whole this with n. Okay. Divide whole this with n. Okay. And if it is exists purely in terms of x, if it is exists purely in terms of x. Okay. Purely in terms of x. Okay. So then integrating factor is e power integral f of x dx. The integrating factor is if is e power integral f of x dx. That f of x is this. Okay. So this is the method we'll go by, method 3. So first we'll verify m and n are homogeneous or not. Okay. If it is not, then we'll verify this in the form of y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy is not. Okay. If it is these two methods, then go by these two integrating factors. If it is not, go by method 3. If it is not, go by method 3. Method 3 what? So if you take the difference, dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, and dividing with this n. Okay. Dividing with this n. Okay. And this is purely in terms of x. So this is purely in terms of x. Okay. Okay. Then integrating factor is e power f of x into dx. Okay. So that will be the integrating factor. Okay. That will be the integrating factor. Okay. So once you get integrating factor, when we multiply with this integrating factor into given equation, that will be converting into exact. Okay. So that is the method 3. ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేసాం? dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x divide with n చేసాం. అవునా? Divide with n చేసాం. అవునా? Some books may write like this. Okay. Some books dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y whole with minus by n. దీన్ని ఇలా రాయొచ్చమ్మా 1 by n times dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. దీన్ని ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు minus 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. Sorry, dou n by dou x. Sorry. Minus 1 by n dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. Okay. So some books may write like this also. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Whatever you keep mind that one is you keep in mind. Okay. So some of the books may write like this also. 1 by n times dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. And integrating factor is ikkada minus లేదు కదా. So e power integral minus f of x dx. ఇలా కూడా రాస్తాం. Okay. So different ways they will represent. Don't worry. You keep in mind one form. So 1 by n dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Okay. So that is the thing. So write down example here. Example. Solve y plus y cube by 3 plus x square by 2 dx plus 1 by 4 x plus xy square into dy equal to 0. Okay. So verify is this exact or not. Verify this is exact or not. Verify cheyandi. So what is m here? Y plus y cube by 3 plus x square by 2. What is n here? 1 by 4 x plus xy. So dou m by dou y. Y to chestama. Derivative of y is 1. And this is 3y square by 3. This is 0. Dou n by dou x. 1 by 4 I keep it same. 1 plus 1 into y square. This is 1 plus y cube. This is dou n by dou x is 1 by 4 times 1 plus y square. Okay.
Sir,
So
అది
what
1 plus
happens
y
here?
square కదండి sir.
Right. 1 plus.
Dou m by dou y sir. 1.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So what happens here? 1 by 4 is extra here. So therefore, dou m by dou y not equal to dou m by dou x. So therefore, equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 is not exact. Therefore, equation 1 is not exact. Okay. Right. So if you observe that, we here m is not homogeneous, n is also not homogeneous. So method 1 we cannot apply. M and n are not homogeneous. Method 1 not apply. And if you observe that m and n are not in the form of xy, there is no xy terms here. There is no xy terms here. Okay. ఇక్కడ ఒక xy ఎందుకని ఇక్కడ xy లేదు అవునా. So method 1, method 2 not applicable for this. So then we go for method 3. Then we go for method 3. Okay. So method 3 is what? 1 by n times. Okay. Consider 1 by n times dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. 1 by n is what? 1 by 4 times x plus y square. 1 by 4 times x plus xy square. Okay. 1 by 4 times x plus xy square. Dou m by dou y is 1 plus y square. 1 plus y square. Dou n by dou x is 1 by 4 times 1 plus y square. So this is 4 by x common చేస్తానమ్మా ఇక్కడ x 1 plus y square. ఇక్కడ 4 LCM చేస్తాను 4 plus 4y square minus 1 minus y square. Okay. E4 gets cancelled. 1 by x times 1 plus y square. 4 minus 1 3. 4 plus y 4y square minus y square 3y square. So 1 by x times 1 plus y square 3 common cheste 1 plus y square gets cancelled. This will be 3 by x. This will be 3 by x. So when you observe that this happens purely in terms of x. ఇలా x లోనే రావాలమ్మా ఇక్కడ y రాకూడదు. Y వస్తే then we go for method 4. Then we go for method 4. Okay. Okay. So, so this is purely in terms of x. Okay. So I can apply integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power integral f of x into dx. E power integral 3 by x dx. This e power 3 into 1 by x dx is ln x. So 3 ln x is so a ln b can be written as ln b power a. So in that manner, ln x power 3. And e power ln a
X cube.
is a. Yeah. E power ln a is a. So this will be written as x. So this is my if. So this is my if. Okay. So once you get integrating factor, you should multiply with equation 1. Multiply with equation 1. Y plus y cube by 3. Y plus y cube by 3 plus x square by 2 into x cube dx plus 1 by 4 times x plus xy square. I have problem, that's why writing directly by multiplying with x cube. మీరు చూస్తూ రాయండి కావాలంటే మీరు చూస్తూ రాయండి. So this is in the form of m1x. This is in the form of m1x m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. So what is m1? X cube y plus x cube y cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 2. So this is n1 is 1 by 4 times x power 4, x power 4 plus x power 4 y square. So dou m1 by dou y, dou m1 by dou y. Y to just x cube into 1, x cube into 3 y square by 3. This is 0. This x cube plus 3 gets cancelled, x cube y square. Dou n1 by dou x. 4x cube plus 4x cube y square. 4 cancel పోతే 4 కామన్ చేసి క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలమ్మా. ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ యు నో ఇట్. డైరెక్ట్ గా క్యాన్సిల్ చేసాను. ఓకే, కావాలంటే మీరు చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ హియర్ ఇఫ్ యు అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ dou m1 by dou y same as dou n1 by dou. Right? Dou m1 by dou y same as dou n1 by dou x. So therefore equation 2 is exact. So therefore what? Equation 2 is exact. Therefore equation 2 is exact. Right? So therefore solution is integral m1 dx plus integral terms free from x in n1 into dy equal to c. Here y is a constant only. So what is m1? X cube y plus x cube y cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 2 whole dx. Here y is a constant. And the terms free from x in n1, anyone? What are the terms free from x in n1? There is no terms, right? All terms having x power 4. Y into x power 4 by 4, y cube by 3 into x power 4 by 4, 1 by 2 into x power 6 by 6. Using integral x power n formula. So I'll stop here. If you want simplify, you can simplify. Okay. Any doubts, please? Any doubts, please? You can ask. There is no doubts, then I'll go for next problem.
So last step explanations.
Integral x power n dx into x power n plus 1 by n. So ఇక్కడ y constant, y ని బయట రాశాను. Integral x cube is x power 4 by 4. ఇక్కడ y cube by 3 constant బయట రాశాను. X cube is x power 4 by 4. Plus 1 by 2 ని బయట రాశాను. X power 5 is x power 6 by 6. There is no term here equal to 6. Nothing is there. Okay. So write down next problem. Solve x square plus y square plus 2x dx plus 2y dy equal to 0. So verify this is exact or not. Verify cheyandi. This is exact or not.
Sir, question అక్కడ 2x y or 2x sir?
2y dy. This is a 2x sum. 2x into dx. So which is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m is x square plus y square plus 2x, n is 2. Dou m by dou y, 2y, dou n by dou x, 0. Right? So therefore dou m by dou y not same as dou n by dou x. So therefore equation 1 is not exact. Therefore equation 1 is not exact. Okay. And if you observe that this is not homogeneous and this is also not homogeneous, and there is no product of xy. There is no product of xy. So definitely we'll go by method 3. For that, I would like to take 1 by n times dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. 1 by 2y. So మీకు ఇక్కడ లాజిక్ ఏంటంటేనమ్మా y చిన్నదిగా ఉంటే మీన్స్ n చిన్నదిగా ఉంటే సో మేబీ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ 1 by n ఇంటూ ఓకే 1 by n ఇంటూ అని ఒక లాజిక్. ఇట్లా 2y 2xy ఓన్లీ 1 టర్మే ఉంటుంది లేదా 2 టర్మ్సే ఉంటాయి లైక్ అబో. ఓకే, అప్పుడు మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. లేదా ఈ రెండింటిని సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయండి. n తో డివైడ్ అవుతుంటే 1 by n రాయండి. m తో డివైడ్ అవుతుంటే అది నెక్స్ట్ మెథడ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ విల్ బి 1. ఓకే, కాన్స్టెంట్ కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చమ్మా. 1 is nothing but what? X power 0. ఓకే, x power 0. X power 0 1 కదా. That's why this is called f of x. I call it as f of x. Okay, I call it as f of x. Okay, why I am taking f of x is dividing with n. Okay, 1 by n. Okay, so therefore if is e power integral f of x dx. So e power అనిపిస్తుందా మీకు వీడియోలో? e power integral 1 dx, that is e power x. Okay, fine. E power x. So if is simply I am getting e power x. Now multiply with if. Okay, multiply with if in equation 1. x square plus y square plus 2x into e power x dx plus 2y e power x into dy, which is in the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0, where m1 is x square plus y square plus 2x into e power x, n1 is 2y e power x. Dou m1 by dou x, sorry, dou y kada, sorry, dou m1 by dou y, 0, derivative of y square 2y, this is 0, e power x multiplied e power x. Dou n1 by dou x, 2y keep it same, derivative of e power x is e power x. So this is 2y e power x, this is also 2y e power x, therefore dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x. Therefore equation 2 is exact. ఇలా క్లియర్ గా రాయాలండి, ఎగ్జామ్ లో కూడా ఇలా క్లియర్ గా రాయాలి. కొందరు రాస్తారు ఫ్రెంచ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ రాసి పెట్టుంటారండి, మ్యాథ్స్ కూడా ఆన్సర్ ఏడుందో ఎతుక్కోవాలి. సో అలా రాస్తే మార్క్స్ తగ్గిపోతాయండి. ఇంత రఫ్ లో చేసినట్టు చేస్తుంటారండి, రఫ్ లో చేసినట్టు వాళ్ళ ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు రాసి పెట్టుంటారు. షుడ్ రైట్ క్లియర్లీ. ఓకే, నౌ solution is integral m1 dx plus terms free from x in n1 into dy equal to c. So ఇక్కడ m1 ఏంటి, x square plus y square plus 2x into e power x dx plus this is 0 anyway. ఇక్కడ f into g రూల్ చేయాలండి. ఇంటిగ్రల్ f into g, you know it, f into integral g dx minus f dash into integral g dx whole dx. So this is the formula, or u dv formula చేయాలి, integral u dv. So anyone, what is the formula u dv? ఎవరైనా చెప్పగలరా?
u into integral of v minus integration of u dash
u dv అమ్మా, I'm asking.
uv minus integration of v du.
Yeah, very good. This is, you are telling uv dx. Okay, nice. సో ఇలా చేయాలి. దీనికన్నా మీకు షార్ట్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఉందండి, షార్ట్ ప్రొసీజర్ చూపిస్తాను, నేను ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఇక్కడ ఎఫ్జీని డిసైడ్ అవ్వడం తెలుసు కదా మీకు. ఎఫ్జీని ఎలా డిసైడ్ అవుతాం? యూజింగ్ ఆఫ్ హైలైట్, రైట్? యూజింగ్ ఆఫ్ హైలైట్. ఐ అంటే ఇన్వర్స్
trigonometry,
ఎల్ అంటే
logarithm,
ఏ అంటే ఆల్జీబ్రాయిక్, టీ అంటే ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్, ఏ అంటే
exponential.
ఓకే. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ అనేది జి, అవునా? ఈ అనేది జి, ఇది ఎఫ్. సో ఎఫ్ ఒక దగ్గర తీసుకోండి, జి ఒక దగ్గర తీసుకోండి. ఎఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2x, జీని తీసుకోండి. ఎఫ్ని డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలమ్మా, ఎఫ్ని డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలి, జీని ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయాలి. ఎఫ్ని డెరివేటివ్ చేయాలి, జీని ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయాలి. డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ 2x. వైని మనం వైని కాన్స్టెంట్ అని ట్రీట్ చేసాం, అవునా? ఇక్కడ వైని కాన్స్టెంట్ అని ట్రీట్ చేసాం. సో 0 plus 2, x derivative is 1. e power x integral is e power x unit. Again derivative చేయండి, 2 into 1 plus 0 e power x. Again derivative చేయండి, 0 e power x. సో ఇక్కడ 0 వచ్చేదాకా చేయండి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే క్రాస్ వైజ్ తీసుకోండి, క్రాస్ వైజ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ప్లస్, దిస్ ఇస్ మైనస్, దిస్ this is plus. Okay. KK, who is KK? Could you please mute your mic? Okay. So ఇక్కడ cross multiply plus this is x square plus y square plus 2x into e power x. So this is minus 2x plus 2 into e power x. This is plus 2 into e power x. Minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, plus 2x minus 2x plus cancel. Finally, x square plus y square e power x. Okay. So that is left side value, right? Equal to c రాయండి. Equal to c. Okay. ఇలా కొందరు ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ రాస్తారు, ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ రాస్తారండి. అన్ని ఈక్వల్స్ ఉండకూడదు ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ లో. ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ కి ఒక ఈక్వాలిటీనే ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? అన్ని ఈక్వల్ టూస్ ఉండకూడదు. సో కావాలంటే దీన్ని ఇంప్లాయిస్ పెట్టుకోండి, ఇంప్లాయిస్. ఓకే. సో దీస్ ద ప్రొవిజర్ యూజింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ f0, షార్ట్ వే. ఎగ్జామ్ లో కూడా రాయొచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. విల్ కన్సిడర్. ఓకే. సో అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాం. ఈ ల్యాప్టాప్ తీసుకురావాలి అడిగి. డీన్ ఆఫీసులు ఉంటాయి కదా. సంతానం. మేడం 10:30 తర్వాత పంపిండి మేడం. 10:30 తెస్తలే. మీరు 10:30 తర్వాత ఎప్పుడైనా పంపిండి. నేను solve this problem. 3xy minus 2ay square into dx plus x square minus 2axy into dy equal to 0. So is it exact? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, fine, very good. So f of x చెప్పగలరు ఎవరన్నా? f of x. Here m is 3xy minus 2ay square. X square minus 2ax. Anyone, what is f of x?
One by x, sir.
Very good. Very good. 1 by x square minus 2ay is my n. 3x minus 4ay minus 2x minus 2a. ఇక్కడ x కామన్ చేస్తాను. x minus 2axy, sorry, 2axy, 2ay. This is 3x minus 2xx, 4ay minus 2ay, plus minus 4ay minus plus 2ay, minus 2ay. This is 1 by x. This is f of x. This is f of x. So now it is simple, right? Now simple. IF is what? E power integral f of x dx. E power integral 1 by x dx. That is e power ln x dx. Ln x. E power ln x is x, already I told you. Okay. Okay, multiply with multiply equation 1 with IF. Rasara. So what is that? 3axy, sorry, 3xy minus 2ay square into x plus x into dx, sorry, into dx, plus x square minus 2axy into x dy. So which is in the form of 3x square y minus 2axy square into dx plus x cube minus 2ax square y dy. So which is in the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy, where m1 is 3x square y minus 2ax y square. N1 is x cube minus x cube. Okay, fine. X cube minus 2ax square y. Okay, చూద్దాం. Dou m1 by dou y exact అవుతుంది. 3x square into 1 minus 2ax into 2. 3x square minus 4axy. Dou n1 by dou x. 3x square minus 2a to 2x into y. 3x square minus 4ax. So therefore dou m1 by dou y same as dou n1 by dou x. Dou m1 by dou y same as dou n1 by dou x. Right? Right. I'm going for solution. Therefore, solution is integral m1 dx plus terms 3 from x in n1 into dy equal to 0, equal to c. So 3x square y minus 2axy square dx. 2axy square, where y is a constant, plus terms free from x in n1. I hope no, there is no, right? This is very simple. X cube by 3 minus 2ay square x square by 2 equal to c. X cube minus ay square x square equal to c. So this is about method 4. Now, sorry, method 3. Now we go for method 4. Any doubts, please? So in case of method 3, what we did that we divide with n of dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. If it is purely in terms of x, you keep in mind that this is purely in terms of x. ఆర్ కాన్స్టెంట్ కూడా రావచ్చు. ఇందాక మనకు 1 వచ్చింది కదా, లైక్ వైస్. సో ప్యూర్లీ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఆర్ కాన్స్టెంట్. ఓకే, దెన్ విల్ అప్లై e power f of x dx. Okay, if it is not, so if it is not purely in terms of x, if it is not purely in terms of x, then we go for method 4. Okay, so here what you do that, so you divide with m of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. Okay, so ఇక్కడ dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x ని n తో డివైడ్ చేయాలమ్మా. ఇక్కడ dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y తో డివైడ్, dou y ని m తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ప్యూర్లీ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ y. If it is purely in terms of y, purely in terms of y, okay, y లో మాత్రమే ఉంటే, okay, then integrating factor is e power integral g of y dy. Then integrating factor is e power integral g of y dy. Okay, okay, right? So some books already told you that some books may write like this: minus 1 by m, minus 1 by m dou m by dou x, dou m by dou y minus dou m by dou x. ఇలా కూడా ఉంటాయి కొన్ని బుక్స్ లో, యూ డోంట్ వరీ. సో ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ గా n తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే ప్యూర్లీ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ రావాలి, m తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే ప్యూర్లీ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ y రావాలి. దట్ ఈస్ సో. అండ్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, n is some aside. సో n తో డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు n సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది, m తో డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు m సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద లాజిక్. ఇక్కడ dou n by dou x, ఇక్కడ x ఉంది కాబట్టి ప్యూర్లీ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ x రావాలి. ఇక్కడ dou m by dou y ఉంది కాబట్టి ప్యూర్లీ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ y రావాలి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద లాజిక్స్ టు రిమైండ్. సో గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవడానికి ఇవి లాజిక్స్ అండి, ఎలా గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలనే దానికి. ఓకేనా? సో దీస్ ఆర్ ది లాజిక్స్ టు రిమైండ్. ఓకే, so write down example here. Example, solve xy square minus x square, xy square minus x square dx plus 3x square y square plus x square y minus 2x cube plus y square dy equal to 0. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు చూస్తేనే అర్థం అవుతుంది, m is smaller, n is higher, so maybe dividing with m, ఓకే అనే ఒక లాజిక్ కూడా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఫైన్. సో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలండి, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో m is here xy square minus x square, n is 3x square y square plus x square y minus 2x cube plus y square. So dou m by dou y x into 2y minus 0. This is 2x. Dou n by dou x. So this is 6xy square, 2xy minus 6x square. Okay, 6x square. Okay, right? So clearly dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. So therefore equation 1 is not exact. Yes, so therefore, and if you observe that m and n are not homogeneous, this because of this is 3, this is order 2. Here x cube, here k cube, or here k square will come, and there is no product of xy terms in all terms. Okay, there is no xy here, there is no xy here. So we go by method 3 and method 4. Okay, so m is smaller, I told you that m is smaller, that's why I'm verifying method 4. 1 by m times dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. Purely in terms of y అవుతుందో లేదో చెక్ చేద్దాం. Purely in terms of y. Okay. So 1 by n is, sorry, 1 by m kada, m is what? xy square minus x square. xy square minus x square. So dou n by dou x is what? 6xy square plus 2xy minus 6x square minus dou n by dou x, sorry, dou m by dou y, 2x. So ఇక్కడ 6 కామన్ చేస్తే xy square minus x square by xy square minus x square. So this is g. Oh, sorry, 6. This is 6. Of course, this is a constant. Okay, and we're dividing with m. We're dividing with m, that's why I treated this is g of y. If you are dividing with n, you treated that this is f of x. అర్థమవుతుందా? Because of I am dividing with m, that's why I treated by g of y. If you are dividing with n, then definitely you should treating with f of x. Okay. So therefore, integrating factor is e power g of y dy. E power 6 dy. That is e power 6y. This is my integrating factor. So multiply equation 1 with if. Multiply equation 1 with if. Okay. So what is that? Xy square minus x square e power 6y into dx plus 3x square y square plus x square y minus 2x cube plus y square e power 6y. Okay. Which is in the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy, where m1 is xy square minus x square into e power 6y. n1 is 3x square y square plus x square y minus 2x cube plus y square into e power 6y. So dou m1 by dou y, by using of UV rule, I keep it same u and derivative of v and derivative of u 2xy minus 0 e power 6y. Okay. So e power 6y taken common, 6xy square minus 6x square plus 2xy. Okay. Dou n1 by dou x. X to kabatti this is constant, means you keep it same. 6xy square plus x square (6x square minus 6x square) sorry, x to kada chestunnam manam. This is 2xy minus 6x square into e power 6y. Now if you observe that both are same. So I call this as equation 2. అర్థమవుతుందా? I call this as equation 2. So dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x. Therefore, solution of 1, solution of 2 is m1 dx, the terms free from x, in n1 into dy Somebody want to ask something? Srinivasulu, Sakkubai, could you please mute your mic? Srinivasulu. So m1 dx, what is m1? Xy square minus x square into e power 6y, where y is a constant. The terms free from x in n1, that will be this, right? Y square e power 6y dy equal to c. This is dx, right? Dx. C power 6y constant అలాగే ఉంచేస్తే xy square కి sorry తప్పు రాశాను xy square minus x square. xy square minus x. Yeah. xy square is x square by 2 y square minus x cube by 3. This is very simple. But this will be go by y square e power 6y. Derivative cheste 2y e power 6y by 6. 2 e power 6y by 6 square. 0 e power 6y by 6 cube. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. So this will be y square e power 6y by 6 minus 2y e power 6y by 36 plus 2 e power 6y by 316. Sorry, 216. 6 cube kada. Okay, equal to c. So take e power 6y common here and take some simplify. You will get exact value. Okay. Yes, please. Any doubts? Raskunara. I'll go for next one. Yes, please. Hypernology problem changing. Y power 4 plus 2y dx. Xy cube plus 2y power 4 minus 4x dy. Yes, please. Here m is y power 4 plus 2y. N is xy cube plus 2y power 4 minus 4x. Dou m by dou y. 4y cube plus 2 dou n by dou x. Dou n by dou x. Y cube plus, this is 0 minus 4. Right? Correct. So therefore, dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. So therefore, equation 1 is not exact. And ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకు చూస్తే n చిన్నదిగా ఉంది, so I go by with m చిన్నదిగా ఉంది, I go with m. Dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. 1 by y power 4 plus 2y, y cube minus 4 minus 4y cube minus 2. This is minus 3y cube minus 6y. ఇక్కడ y కామన్ చేస్తే y cube plus 2. This is minus 3y cube plus 2y, y into y cube plus 2. So that's minus 3 by y. So clearly, okay. సో అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు ఈ మెథడ్లో ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ రాసానము. అండ్ అఫ్ కోర్స్ m చిన్నదిగా ఉంది కాబట్టి m తో డివైడ్ చేశాను. If it is not purely in terms of y, then you go to method 3 or method 1 or method 2. Okay. Of course, method 1, method 2 is not applicable. Of course. Okay. Method 3 and method 4 only applicable. Okay. So by practice it will come. Don't worry if you practice the problems. So this is e power minus 3 by y dy. E power minus 3 ln y. This is e power ln y power minus 3. So this is y power minus 3, nothing but 1 by y cube. This is the integrating factor. One by y cube is the integrating factor. Okay. Now multiply with equation 1. So that will be y power 4 plus 2y to 1 by y cube plus xy cube plus 2y power 4 xy cube plus 2y power 4 minus 4x to 1 by y cube dy. This is y plus 2 by y square dy. Sorry, dx dx plus x plus 2y minus 4x by y cube dy equal to 0. Which is in the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy. Which is in the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy. Where m1 is y plus 2 by y cube y square kada. Y plus 2 by y square. n1 is x plus 2y minus 4x by y. Dou m1 by dou y 1 plus 2 into derivative of 1 by y square is minus 2 by y cube. I hope you know it how it comes. Already చెప్పాను previous class లో మీరు చదవాలి, డెరివేషన్ ఫార్ములాస్ చదవాలి. డెరివేషన్ ఫార్ములాస్ చదవకపోతే ఎవరేం చేయలేరు. ఓకేనా? So therefore dou m1 by dou y is same as dou n1 by dou x. ఓకేనా? So therefore the solution of equation 1 is integral m1 dx, the terms free from x in n1 into dy equal to c. So m1 is y plus 2 by y square to dx plus terms free from x in n1. So this is only 2y. So this is purely y. So I keep it say into integral 1 dx is x. 2y square by 2. So this is our required solution. This is our required solution. Okay. Yes, please. Any doubts, please? That's about today's class. Inka 2 methods unnayamma. Inka 2 methods unnai. Non-exact lo. There are 6 methods totally. So we'll finish that in next class. Any doubts?
సార్
Yes, please.
సార్ మనం హోమోజీనియస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అని ఎలా సార్ గుర్తుపెట్టేది?
చెప్పాను కదమ్మా లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో. ఏం కావాలి? హోమోజీనియస్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ కావాలి, హోమోజీనియస్ ఫంక్షన్ కావాలి.
ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేసేది?
లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో
Identify.
చెప్పాను కదా. ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ కూడా 4-5 దాకా చెప్పాను హోమోజీనియస్ ఫంక్షన్ కి. If you are not attend the previous class or still you have doubt, I have uploaded a video in YouTube. Go through that. Okay.
ఓకే.
Yes. Any other doubts, please? So mechanical వాళ్ళకి అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నానమ్మా. If you want, go through that also. మీకు అప్పుడు రికార్డ్ చేయలేదు, మిస్ అయింది. So anyone having doubts, so DEMC అనే ప్లేలిస్ట్ లో ఉంటుంది, వాళ్ళకి అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. కావాలంటే అక్కడ వెళ్ళి చూడండి. Any other doubts, please?